Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 fascinating facts about Maria Montessori that I bet you didn't know. Maria Montessori was an Italian physician and educator who revolutionized the field of early childhood education. So let's dive right in and discover these hidden gems about her life and work. Firstly, did you know that Maria Montessori was the first woman in Italy to graduate as a doctor? Yes, you heard that right. In a time when it was rare for women to pursue higher education, Montessori shattered those stereotypes and paved the way for future generations of female doctors. Secondly, Montessori's groundbreaking teaching method was not initially intended for children. Surprised? Well, Montessori initially developed her method for mentally disabled children. However, it soon became evident that her educational approach had universal effectiveness and could benefit children from all walks of life. Lastly, Maria Montessori was a nominee for the Nobel Peace Prize not once but 3 times. Her innovative educational philosophy, focused on promoting peace and harmony through nurturing individual development, captured the attention and admiration of many influential figures around the world. So there you have it, 3 facts about Maria Montessori that hardly anyone knows. Her journey as a pioneering doctor, the unexpected origin of her educational method, and her recognition for promoting peace make her an incredibly fascinating figure. I hope you enjoyed learning these lesser-known tidbits about Montessori, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more intriguing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.